What's good, y'all? Today I got another video, of course. Jose in the shop picked up the Blue Oyster fast feeds. With that being said, I'm gonna show y'all what's different, what's the same. First, we got the packaging. Now, the packaging is real nice. I like this one the most out of all of them, to be honest. You know, everything looks the exact same. 90-minute runtime, quiet motor, adaptive speed control. It's all the same. 1-year warranty. 1 speed setting. Now this does have a horse on the front. These were put out to be clippers for animals, but they're the exact same clipper. It's just considered for animals. They put these in the pet stores first. A lot of barbers were buying them up in the pet stores, which is why they started putting them in other stores. If you go to 614 Barber Supply, that's where he got them from, and they're all right there. Actually, the blue collection is about $20 to $30 cheaper than all the rest of them. I know you can get this black one for $220, the black and chrome. At the time of this video, the blue one is $190 on 614 Barber Supply. Now 614 has the whole collection. You can get the 76s and the trimmer as well. We just got the fast feed for now, the blue one. Hey, before y'all continue this video, I need y'all to subscribe. There's too many people here that are not subscribed, just watching. Subscribe, tell me what y'all want to see. You'll get way more content that you like. And don't forget to subscribe. Now the clipper is really nice. You got the fast feed logo and everything right there. It's just like the red one. You got the grooves in the back. The button has blue on it, outlined in chrome, silver. Now as far as the top blade goes, it is the same exact top blade as the regular fast feed and the maroon cordless fast feed. So same exact blade, is silver. Cutting blade, the same, silver. Of course it extends the same amount as the other ones. As far as sound, the black ones, these are the blue ones. So they sound a little bit different, not much, but I've had mine a little bit longer. He just got his, these are brand new out the box, so I'm sure over time they'll sound the exact same. This one comes with the black blade, so it does cut a little bit different from the blue ones and the red ones. Other than that, they're pretty much the same exact machine. Now you can buy the black blade if you prefer the black blade. A lot of people do. You can get it off Amazon, you can get it off a bunch of supply stores. I hear it does cut better. I have not used these yet, but they're gonna cut exactly like the maroon ones. You will have to push the blade up a little bit to zero gap them. But other than that, same exact motor. Everything is the same, except obviously the color, the blade on top, the dock is the exact same. Comes with all the same things inside. Only difference is blue, different blade from the black ones, and the package is different. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments below. Like, subscribe. See y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching.
For no squares on my boulevard. I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick. If she getting out of line all the time, I'm a dip. I've been on my grind, I might slide, but I won't slip. I got money in my mind, get a bag and make it flip. I ain't got the time to be thinking about a chick.